Ta-da! I am back for good. On the muhumi ache kobe na otwe na otwe mienu nie muhumi media no sai. Na me ye ne me bia se na se na on se mo ha me ba na me ko. Na me ye nkrata se bi ne ene ma ne me bi ntina. Afi na me wi nyame adom bibia yo okay. It now the muhumi back to back to back to back to back. Yen ko break not even a single day. Yen ko break. Now we ya Uko media no so ase asemo about oh Nana Jantuah NDC pro journalist Nana Jantuah be kasa. Only Ohineba Mabeni, Oma Bedim Komo, concerning Chairman Wontumi ya jailing to 20 years imprisonment with hard labor no for illegal mining no na Jantuah abedina so na NDC appointees omutu gara wa buru omunia wa buru omunia fefe na awo Ohineba Mabeni eso be kan bi me man kire bu no akire wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section ahi Penyah block media mesra say didi mu obe like video no da ma subscribe button sa be click notification icon no just update sa be kire wa adwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a no she was enya bia hwe me kan phone na ala money sana pene de ama o USA o UK o be send ska edebe fie in fact o send ya ko Togo Germany Africa country bia so bit ma send every nala e de akọ no mo from promo code ni Penyah TV send ska no be charge $20 for free o send ya na koduru fie na whatsapp $20 as a bonus. Now let's go to the story. Ebusia onim say a last year 2025 e da church ama Wontumi for na quantum mining concession na or run ewo summer boy honam no town on numri forest ni mo no ye de ko piem ewo court e ma se no de ya born back and forth sa ye kone baba sa na recently ana ye de judgment no e ba ye Monday twam ye no ana se de Chairman Wontumi a judgment e ba ye as according to judgment no Chairman Wontumi ye se onkotwa 20 years imprisonment with hard labor ni nyina ne se ba men kirem enye se Chairman Wontumi aye illegal mining enti na ya jailing no there be na say ana asem etie on se akonta mining no na our license all the year adwuma ewo sama boy honomo na concession e de ma no ewo honomo no Chairman Wontumi ejina the license na de ma no etumi so assign other license to 2 people say ben ka me matoka e de ama wo una ukura license matoka e de ama wo say twi as a driver una me judi a me de me car ahya wonsa na de etinya also the car e ma spare so mu a mi so mu a sana Chairman Wontumi de ne o man no nenim wo ene ye de asase na ama wo ye de concession ama ye chale ye small scale mining no e wa ha sei with wa konta mining no for be small scale mining e wa ha ya ma wo policy bi but Chairman Wontumi ejina license e de ama no so eso e ma nipa bi permit se omuntimi emetu bi et omu de ene illegal mining no but e ba je de be pin wo Chairman Wontumi because wo ne de asase na ma wo de a small scale legally licensed mining concession ana wo presi but the wo de ama wo bi no illegal because no o mining ni wo mu the Chairman Wontumi case na anie I don't know about the back and forth ana na mra no wo ho no mo so mra no tire se obi bibi sa na ye chi na yemfa no nkotum not less than 15 years and not more than 25 years na say between 15 years to 25 years etina no I dey go pay mo quarter Chairman Wontumi edife omu lawyers so there be Chairman Wontumi kura no we know wa fa ni patu mu ka owo yire ne mma wa busianfo wa ye ne mebiri bo Ghana ha no ho mo hu no mo kakra e no ti bo bo hezi nyina no so okay ne ya te Chairman Wontumi ya te so ama fo kutwa 20 years e wo prison the sabra e ma sim we abia buburuja on the internet. You know some minority for aye press conference which say they will appeal, they will go to court of appeal to make an appellation because don't believe say judgment and by now and follow due process and nam no counsel into they will go to court and appeal it. Now I know and by on say me Mahama Bekasai and Mahama fully and duly admitted that some of the NDC appointees are seriously into Galamsey activity.
Final one is illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society, and I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved the circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved. And the work of the 9 months is not easy. They go to a community and the chiefs, the youth, and everybody come out and resist them. And so I didn't kid myself that we will be able to win that fight overnight. But we cannot relent. We must continue.
I was a video to be renana piaba, a bar, na DC for one of the one defend Bibiasa, and so Galamsey Koso. May say there be a manam Kumasi to Accra Road, so Kumasi to Takra de Unam Paneswa, Ufri, a same price, Massa Galamsey Koso Kwan Galamsey Ketua. Konongo Galamsey Koso Konongo, and Galamsey Ketua. Eman as a crying Fnibi, Ecopium Galamsey side or Coburunia.
Na mo ja mo ma na na ba ko fa ba ye na ko kan tino mo u je jina ha yo mo ni se emre tintin ne e bra mo Galamsey no se munyai hie wo ko no ha nyina mo se no ya bobo sum kase a wo ko no na pontua amane enu a kire ya mamre se ye mensuo na e wo ba bia mo ye Galamsey ni nyina amamna ye no e yo wuo amamre tina sumankwa wo hwa anani abre ye be ya mamre na se ewie na de pesi a kire bia no obi amahimfie mabo ya mane aha nti ni abansuo a wa ha nyina ye begu ensan ya mamre aye de wo se ye bia ye wia ye mpamo ma mo tna ho wo bam firi na kro wo ba ye na wo ye bie mu a ye wa ene wa wa sema ye wie na wo ye bie mu a ye wa ye ta
One mo na ye da Galamsey no yes ye ni oka obi ase me nka ho bi DC bi aso nka obi MP bi aso nka nti no one mo na ye da Galamsey no se uduru enyinam jejeti osino Galamsey no osino kra de osino kro nya Galamsey area e kwa ho ni etu gala center ase no kohwe Bremu river kohwe aye bonka osino achem kohwe ho enso ye hu as ye hu ye. And you know, Mahama fully admitted, say, some of the appointees are into Galamsey. Now, no, so, Anna, Yajeli Chairman Wontumi, na NDC for be there. They don't have Jantuah don't see there be. NDC near Yajeli Chairman Wontumi for Galamsey. I also to Galamsey, no. Is one new.
Say no cry the DC no cry no yebi. DC na no wachemuno. Ya danso Galamsey no na edidi ni trima omunyaye bosumi. Ena se omude ba le bosumche. A se omu se dimo na some crofo we was sister nimu a. Usoya no pa. You are thinking about your party as against Ghana. Inti eba menka. How many times yenka say NDC for ni bi nso ye Galamsey? Asemwe meka yenye ne se NDC for ne ba ya no muso share Galamsey ase. Ampenyufo NDC mpenyufo ebi asase ye Galamsey. Nyame betua moka. God will punish you guys. She de mo ye on mine no ho. Ye ka mu mfi no. God will deal with you. God will punish you. Nyankopon betua moka. Me say NDC ni bia panyi bia ene oyonko ye de na tum 20 years. She would said I'm telling you NDC ni bia we are involved in Galamsey. She you die before your time. Obe wunti ase because yen kokoma on mine no yen fa ye krensi wo enye campaign say na Akufo-Addo ne nkrofo ye Galamsey enti Ghana fon tuntia no na wo nso agye atum say yes omu ye Galamsey na ade tia wo ba ya wa benti wa hyase ye Galamsey. God will punish you. Nyametua oka NDC panyi bia na wo hye Galamsey ase minka small scale mining. Minka small scale mining. We say NDC ni bia on sase Galamsey ase awa you when God will punish you. Unya hoto. God will deal with you. Ahoto unya hoto. Anybody with the politics ebe mu na Akufo-Addo time ni e ka Galamsey a uji tuma wunsu yebe God will punish you. You never find peace. because my catcher so be our saying so no ye wudini. Do chance are sigu, we are wudini. I am for no crowd the men can want them. Nananum ni mwa bedi. Nanawa himfo. Nananum mwa bedi. Sa we are hine, na wa she. Se Galamsey be koswa. Sabi konongo. Enti na mi busa ye nanan mu ani die kwan so. Samre na ye kan wasem minia iraso sasaredonko multimedia konongo ya ye hu documentaries aye hu documentaries enti nanano mante manso nanano monte adanse nanano monte sefi monte nanano munim ho. So what happened? Ye dede ni abusa se de entia na Jantuah asori anopo ye dede ni nyina ne se obi edi sika. De entia na Jantuah asori anopo kekam ye ni nyina ne se obi ye Galamsey obi edi sika enti aban sori na koye ho adwuma eno nti ne epupom ye bubom ye kekam te se kraman. We are watchdog into what dano ni ye hwe so enye nyina na to be di sika. Now sika wo de che me ye de che nkrofo wonim sika de che at the end of the day. Tia na emesre. Enye ni nyina na ebetimi aka wa ha. Se bi adwuma ye ase ye man nkrofo. Boso me ye sika na ye nya no. Wo hwe ma na wo kra no sika no nhye dan di bio. Wo ye man nkrofo. Nti wo sika na wo de ma ye no. You think said that money should influence us. Emre bi Peter ni namhwa baabia akwa bi oye no ho komfo wo hu se ni tumi na na ode ye ne ye fake enti o share Peter ni na ne nkrofo na o se Peter minim se wo tumi ni de esronko ma memma wo sika na fa wo tumi ni bi ma me. Peter she nanim ka say may you perish with your money. Usika wo no usika nyina mo nyira wo ka se sika nti na me ye adwuma. May you perish with your money. If you are NDC MPP, no I wa dwene say ubetim ni sika to ye nya ye mu bi na Jantuah. May you perish with your money. If you are thinking in say ubetim ni sika ana wo car ana say wan hwan e de member ye mu bia, may you perish with your money. O chamade ameje. But so wo chamade because o pese me ka bi ma NDC ni MPP a, may you perish with your money. For sika no free baby ko. Because e de amedidi. Sika na de ma me no. Se nya akoma pa, fa sika no. Me here I don't need it. Sabi Yankopon behwe me. Matena kon mu pen, manwu. Na nya sa amre ekura ye twitwa me se ma me miti wei, me a menwe nam. Enyoma bebre wo kura ye twitwa me, meduane kura eye bibi e wo ho. Enti dia na me kodi at this time. Milk am numbi, de ma nipa kura e kase wo abobrat, milk am numbi. Wa hwan am nu, enama me wibi. Te se me duane na ye simple aduane. Enti dia nkwa na me kodi ansa na sei. Ena wo abusia ni kwa abrochi anu akotwa picture na no me baba ko okwa abrochi okwa turkey watwitwa picture kama ate se bebia ye kama eho ye neat ball ni bebia inso ni ye clear ena watwa picture na mka chan se inso na wotwa no AI ana because inso fefefe ne sana na river praye sana na river ofin sana na river densu sana na river jimi ewo oboase na inso na nitia utimi sabinom ene ye nyansa dodo nti ene ko river jimi ko jimi suo oboase insuo jimi a na eno ne ma oboase fo nsuo no ekofa jimi dam nimu no kwabrane de Galamsey asɛe no kwamanso ensuo a na ye kroje no kwabrane de nsuo asɛe no kotakwa bogoso ensuo a na etene kama no kwabrane asi no ko tano nimini forest Tano river tano na efa kama no kwabrane de excavators asiso ase ensuo no kokọ konongo a ye tu Galamsey na chese tantantan kwaboso mefre ho Galamsey no kra de DC no kra no yebi DC na no watwamu no ya danso Galamsey no na edidi ni trima omunyaaye bosome ena sese omude ba le bosomche a sese omuse dimo na sankrofo we wo sister nimu a wo so ya no pa you are thinking about your party as against Ghana. Inti eba menka. How many times yenka say NDC for ni bi nso ye Galamsey? Asɛm we meka yenye ne se NDC fo ne ba ya no mu so hye Galamsey ase. Ampanyufo NDC mpanyufo ebi asase ye Galamsey. Nyame betua moka. God will punish you guys. Hwɛ de mo ye on mine no ho. Ye ka mo mfi no. God will deal with you. God will punish you. Nyankopon betua moka. Me say NDC ni bia panyi bia ene oyonko ye de na tum 20 years. Hwɛ would said I'm telling you NDC ni bia we are involved in Galamsey. Hwɛ you die before your time. Obe wu nti ase. Because yen kokoma on mine no. Yen fa ye krensi wo enye campaign say na Akufo-Addo ne nkrofo ye Galamsey enti Ghana fon tuntia no na wo nso agye atum say yes omu ye Galamsey na ade atia wo ba ya wa benti wa hyase ye Galamsey. God will punish you. Nyame tua wo ka. NDC panyi bia na wo hye Galamsey ase. Minka small scale mining. Minka small scale mining. We say NDC ni bia on sase Galamsey ase where you when God will punish you. Unya hoto. What happened? What are we talking about? Are we serious? As our grown yedi. Nancy President John Mahama minti min pretende me am nkrofo to be. Obi yen na dey. Hear me say and also be in them 20 years. No problem. I am na na ye adwuma and I agree because minya ne said President Wontumi de na sase akoma obi ena nipa kro no etu Galamsey eno ani ni o ena tiamra because asase ne de ma wo say ye legal mining wo so wo de ama wadamfo ena wo so wadamfo no ko onye reclamation no ndi ankube ena sese akwakofa asemfo fraba no problem emra no eye MPP fo na na hyehye emra no MPP for na hyehye emra first na nanka Galamsey hu asem ukodema ye 2 years say MPP for na 2019 omo sesa amranim say echi so bi ye Galamsey na illegal mining na yemfa ntum between 15 to 25 years o say yes yemfa ntum between 15 to 25 years MPP for na hyehye emra no ena judge ni use ye onto wo hwe ye no ena also okay 15 to 25 years no mama with 20 years afina mo kikem MPP for afina mo kikem me catch them MPP for so me bam so me catch them emre me catch them so he dia mo ye aban sesa mo be me kan sa asem no me wan hire fm me catch MPP for me say MPP dia mo ye dache aban sesa mo be pen krofo bi so meka bia mamo san krofo no mo ni how. You remember I was talking like that? You remember? Mo kai say maybe na me ka me say ebedu baby no aban sesa MPP for ebe dia mamo de we mu se ye dwane ahanta ye kahwe amuntia mo de tumi ye de mo pe mo say asase no left and right no aban sesa me ka sa asem no ban sesa and then when some twa mo and then I'm call my press conference and I say and then what was say afemo what the way sit here me catch him say 2 minutes sir na me dey am de pa Wontumi ye minia Wontumi ye madamfo minimu Wontumi enyoma bebre wo ho a oya se wonim Wontumi pa nya say no tie se wo hia Wontumi behind the scenes or a different person altogether. Enti minim Wontumi. Emra na aba no. Edino, emra. Sabidi ni asema eyemeya. But the sense mi jina so kase. Obi oye Galamsey anaso obi a ososo Galamsey so no. Yema mra kwani minti minkahwe because e Ghana first. So mu be kwa appeal eno ye omasem. But what is the point here? Mibusa abai, mibusa President John Mahama. Enti nanu a wote se wa wo nkrofo ni bi tu Galamsey no. Why you moden? President John Mahama. Mibusa se nanu a wo se wa wo nkrofo ni bi wunnim so mu tu Galamsey no. Why you moden? Because enema hu se mo bubo na Akufo-Addo die se na Akufo-Addo sign Wontumi ti. Enti mo bobo na one nkrofo na wo ya aware what national security cartel say omu ye Galamsey no President John Dramani Mahama papa respectfully why ye omu den time ye di Wontumi ye season nyoma no na onko sa forest ni mu ba Galamsey da so koso nti e kire say enye Wontumi se mususu se oye Galamsey a anaso ode na ade ama obi amane ye Galamsey a Galamsey ni da so koso dika Galamsey ni koso under your watch tina nanu me catch you say national security e wo cameras a be bia wo Ghana ha bia no omunim krofo mu ye Galamsey they know untimi nka nchem say president aye ma briefing no unim wo NDC form ye Galamsey yankopon kwa na enokwafo yankopon kwa na enokwafo ebedru baabi me say ebesesa na esesa nso a te se de ka no na ano no ebeka ne pepepe ebema nkofo atiase ebema nkofo ahu say untimi mfa nipa a life eni agro things will change someday I hope
Jantuah or you be out.
No, I wouldn't hear you. I don't hear about my business. No, I best understand warning to end this for now. Over to say, I said, yeah, in Suya, no, son, you are there. Oh, we're for sir. No, how dear, it's the moon to move for.
Na Wontumi ko. We are say, what we were for son, what how dear. Mo NDC for no. Matia good Galamsey solo. When you're very careful. We be out with the PM. Say, we are Galamsey no. Ko. Na koko sound. Ebeya wa fa kokot. Na kotu nko sound uti. Mo yeye hwehwe mu de fam ho a na mo buafuo na mo high lawyers so mo niatam ama national executive to me kase han mo de mo nsaka sumasi a de be sina nya papa look ma men kan tell NPP omo ntro position forever omo ntro position forever abro so kura Ghana be ma NDC abro so kura no ebia 12 years ebia the next candidate obeba no otutu ni no ma ono so etwa 8 years ade aka owura John Dramani Mahama de no ho na ye 12 Ghana fo omadwe te sa watch ebesesa etomre bi Ghana ni wo ye ne papa kra bro so etomre bi ya na ho ye na hi etien si amanyoku ebeba ya motutu no ma kama mamu ni be koso no edu ba bi kra Ghana fo be ka say mama manim kra ye de e de ama ye dodo o manim kra ye de dodo eti abre mumma obi nso be panse ye kakra they go for change then PP enim boni fate etu bia wudi apim ya bo di se Galamsey activity wo ka ho no enene kire ya akọ na kokọ san ho na awurade etombe bia na mo yem sere
Chere wa dwe ma me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.